A very good afternoon to everyone. In continuation, this is our third meeting of IPR, wherein we are going to discuss the ideas proposed by our students. I'm sure children must have discussed with you their ideas, and today the agenda of this meeting is to finalize the ideas. So, as we know, the students from classes 4 to 9 have participated in this program. So, let's begin with the class 4 ideas. Over to you, ma'am.
Ma'am, we got 7 ideas from class 4th and from which I found 2 practical ideas, and this one I found really interesting. In this, the child is saying that there should be a two-way spoon for like children who doesn't like to eat medicines. So there will be 2 cavities in that, in which one we would put medicine and in another one we'll put the chocolate because it is interesting for them. So when we are feeding them, they'll see the chocolate, but as it will go in their mouth, they'll get the medicine. So this I found really interesting. We can work upon it. This idea has been given by Parth Raghav and we found it really interesting.
There are so many students in my class who have given the ideas, and I'm selected the 4 students from them. And one student is Aditya, who's given their ideas relating to the food storage near their localities. In their ideas, he wants to that the people in the locality given their foods to in the store, and the needy peoples who want the food, they can take from them.
Class students, almost 9 of the students have given the ideas, but I selected 4 students among them. And among 4, I got one idea very interesting, and the idea is about a visitors app which should be installed at the reception. It has this app has all the keep all the details of the visitors which comes in the school on regular basis. And the visitor which comes on the first day have to fill all the details, but the visitor which comes on second and third day, he need not to be filled the details.
Ma'am, the children from my class were very excited after hearing this new initiative. So out of all the students, 10 of my students gave me certain ideas, but out of those 10 ideas, I found out 4 ideas that were very interesting. So I am presenting one idea which caught my eye, which is about a sensor that we can put under a vehicle. So the idea is that during rainy season there are certain animals, small animals that took shelter under the cars or other vehicles. So what this sensor will do is it will send a message or a warning to the owner on a mobile app, or it will flash a message on the dashboard display letting the owner know that there is an animal below the car, so they unknowingly not hit the animal. So by using this sensor and this app, we can save many animals from getting hurt.
So I have received 12 ideas from my class. There 7 are selected. So this one idea which is very practical for me and for the student also, that we can open a mini bank in our school where student can deposit their cash and if they want withdraw any time for financial help, they can withdraw the cash, and at the time of TC they can withdraw their cash with interest also.
I really like the idea of this mini bank. Maybe we'll also get the loan from your bank, right?
Yes.
What were other ideas given by your students?
Ma'am, many ideas are there. Like one idea is for on the OTT platform. We can use any app. We can make any app which help to beep that abusive words. So we can make that that app for the OTT platform.
Yeah, which will basically filter that language.
Yeah.
All right. Next, Miss Nidhi, there are 2 girls, Bhumi and Vanya, right? Have they supported with this program in terms of any ideas?
They also shared their ideas, but their ideas is not relevant because Vanya is providing the idea relating to the farming. Okay. And their courses is also available in our country, also in our management system, but so this idea is not relevant for the student.
All right. So Gaurav sir, what all other ideas you have got from your students?
Ma'am, I also got an idea regarding a car. There are also another idea regarding a car app, but I rejected that idea because it is already implemented in Teslas. So the idea was that during snowfall or during cold weather, the locks, the handle locks of car get stuck. So in Tesla, there is a system which automatically warm that area in order to unlock that thing. So that's the reason why I rejected that idea.
A child to think in that direction is really amazing. I know this idea exists, in outside India, but that's amazing if a child can think in that way. So who basically gave this idea?
Ma'am, this idea was given by Vapor from class 7th.
All right, very good. Anything from your classes, ma'am?
From my class, I got 12 ideas. Out of them, I have selected 6. But I don't think that idea is so relevant. Out of that 6 ideas, I found one idea very interesting, that helping robot.
All right.
Helping robot which help adults who stay alone in their house, old people, so that robot entertain them, help them, give them medicines like that.
Oh, that's an amazing thought. Very nice.
And what will be the next step? Like, we have selected the idea, so what we are going to do now?
So that's right. It's important to know what is next. So in next series, basically we are going to streamline this process further. We are going to discuss the ideas submitted by the students. We will again sit and discuss what all ideas can be finalized and can be taken forward. In next step, the IPR team will be here to guide us further how to go about the PPT work, and on 27th of this month, our selected projects will be presented by our students in front of their parents. That's definitely going to be a proud moment for the school and for the parents. Thank you. Looking forward for the successful program. Thank you.